Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model this very simple robot in Blender. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So this was the image I was using. This was the image I was using, and this is our model. So this was the image I was using, and this is our model. This is very simple robot to create. So that's it, friend. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.